Hello. In this short video you will get more information about bulk modification in Story Editor. This tool is designed to make working in multiple stories easier and faster. You can change many elements in a single modification. Open the Story menu and select the hamburger menu next to the Create button. Select Bulk Operation and the Bulk Actions panel appears in the toolbar. You also see an indication of how many stories are selected. You can select all articles or choose the ones you want to modify. After selecting articles, you can edit, for example, author, changing categories and licenses, authors. You can also changing workflow state, for example, assign to the review. Then you can republish or unpublish and moving them to the trash. Making changes takes some time, so you don't have to wait. With the Changes panel open, you can select Bulk Modification Status, which tells you the current progress of the changing are you making. That's all about the bulk modifications already. Now you know how to make one-button changes to multiple articles quickly and easily. Thank you.